Well, if you're intending to brave all, hasten to her rescue and so win fair lady's heart, you'll have to do it alone, mate. I see no profit in it for me. And really bad eggs. Drink up, me hearty Joe-ho. This is the day that you will always remember as the day that you... No! What are you doing? You burned all the food, the shade, the rum.
Yes, the rum is gone.
Why is the rum gone? The pirate is in your blood, boy, so you'll have to square with that someday. Now, me, for example, I can let you drown. But I can't bring the ship into Tortuga all by me onesie, savvy? I'm in the market, as it were. Why is the rum gone? Under the command of a pirate. Can you not?
Tortuga?
Tortuga.
Speed.
I've heard of one. Supposed to be very fast, nigh uncatchable. The Black Pearl.